You know that I want to be good.
So y'all, it's a Saturday food adventure and I'm here at a new restaurant that I saw on Instagram. It's called SILLI Fusion Restaurant. It's an Asian restaurant, Asian fusion restaurant. Let me just double check. Yeah, so the restaurant is called SILLI Chili. It's a Asian fusion type of restaurant. So I saw it on Instagram and I liked how the food looks. So I'm like, I definitely have to try this place. So it's a food review, Saturday food review, guys. So come with me and we're gonna see how this awesome Asian fusion food tastes. So I'm ready for it. I'm hungry. So let's see what this place is all about. So y'all, I was really digging this Cabana vibe restaurant. It's really nice outside, and as you can see, they have a waterfall, so it adds to it. Also, they have an option that you can dine inside as well, which has AC, so that's pretty cool. You have the option to dine inside, outside, whichever you prefer.
No matter how much pain you cause, I stay. I'm always left behind, lonely in the night. It's a dark and
Alright, so let's get straight into what I ordered. So they do have two menus. They have the Indian menu and then the Asian fusion. So for my appetizer, I started off with the Indian menu, and this is the Hara Bahara kebab. Yeah, when I got it initially, I was like, kebab is normally on a stick, innit? But yeah, so that was surprising. As you can see, it's looking like fritters type. So I'm a foodie, so I will always try new stuff and try new food. So back to the taste of it now. I'm not gonna lie, it was just okay. It wasn't bad or good. It was just in between. It was alright. I think that's all I have to say with it. It's definitely a quiet taste for sure, but I did not waste my money because it wasn't yucky. Yeah, I think that makes more sense.
there was something you were screaming about, but I closed my ears.
By the way, guys, throughout the video you will see me wiping my face and stuff like that because that day was pretty hot. The heat was kicking that day, guys, and I was the one that decided to sit outside. So yeah, so just to let you know, I will be sweating a little bit in this video.
Blaming me when I just wanna be with you, my love.
Alright, so for my main course, I ordered from the Asian fusion menu, and I had the fried rice chicken Singapore rice. It was a lot of food, as you guys can see. I think this was only $1,500, and this wasn't bad. I actually like this. This is definitely a 10 for me. Everything about it was good. All the vegetables, the chicken in it, everything was just right. So yeah, so overall I really had a decent time. My meal was okay. I'm really happy that I did try the Indian kebab because, like I said, I really like to try new stuff, new cuisine, so that was a plus for me. Overall, the atmosphere is very nice. It's a good lunch spot, chill spot, date night as well. Well, yeah, regular date night, not something romantic, but well, that's a lie. Anywhere you go, you can make it romantic. But yeah, everything, I give this place a good review for sure, and I do recommend it. Bear in mind the prices that is on the menu. GCT and service charge are not added in those prices, but in overall my meal came up to $5,300. I did order a shot of white rum, and as you can see, I had the cranberry, so everything in total was $5,300 and something. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in another review. And subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for my new subscribers and the ones that have been here since day one. I appreciate you guys. Leave a comment down below if you guys will try this out, and let me know. Yeah, just leave a comment down below. Thank you again, and peace.
You know that I wanna be good for you. You know that I wanna be good for you. I do, but sometimes someone was bad for me. Sometimes someone was bad, oh can't you see? I'm just being weak.